Hello students, today we will study about variation. Variation is a change in one quantity with respect to another one. It is given as two types, direct variation and inverse variation. In direct variation, same change happens in both quantities, whereas in inverse, opposite change in both quantities. What is direct variation? If one quantity increases or decreases, the other also increases or decreases. Here we have a relation x directly proportional to y, and proportionality is changed into equality. We have x is equal to ky. Let's take an example in which x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Then find x for y is equal to 4. To solve this, we first find k by putting 3 for x and 2 for y, and k comes out 3 by 2. Now for y is equal to 4, the value of x will be equals to 6. In inverse proportion, increase in one quantity decreases the other one, or decrease in one quantity will increase in other quantity. Here x is inversely proportional to 1 over y, or x is equal to k over y. Well, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6. Then find x for y is equal to 9. As they are inversely related, then we use relation x is equal to k over y. By putting the values, we get k is equal to 18. Now for k is equal to 18 and y is equal to 9, the value of x will becomes 18 by 9, which on division gives us x is equal to 2. You can clearly see that in inverse relation, by increasing value of y, the value of x decreases. When we have a direct and inverse variation at the same time, then this variation is called as combined variation, and quantities can be written as z directly proportional to x and inversely proportional to y, which on using sign of constant becomes z is equal to kx over y. For example, x is equal to 3, z is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. Then find z if x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6. By putting values, we find k, which becomes on division 5 is equal to k by 2, and k is equal to 5 cross 2 is equal to 10. So by using k is equal to 10, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6, the value of z is equal to 10 into 4 divided by 6, which becomes 6.66. When one quantity is directly or inversely related to more than one quantities, then variation is called as joint variation. Let three quantities z, x and y which are directly related, then we write as z directly proportional to xy and z is equal to kxy. Similarly, for inversely related quantities, we write z inversely related to 1 over xy and z is equal to k by xy. In real life, if we see joint direct variation, then force directly proportional to mass cross acceleration is its example, which is written as F is equal to kma. Let's understand this with an example. Here mass is equal to 2 kg and acceleration is equal to 4 meter per second square and force is 8 Newton. If we change its mass to 4 kg and acceleration to 6 meter per second square, then first we find k, which becomes 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. For mass is equal to 4 and a is equal to 6, force comes out as 1 into 4 cross 6, which becomes 24 Newton. The change in the value of force from 8 Newton to 24 Newton shows that force is directly related to acceleration and mass, which on increase also increases. Example, we have a pressure which is directly related to temperature and inversely related to volume. So P is equal to kT over V. If pressure is equal to 2 Pascal at 2 degrees temperature and 1 meter cube volume, then find pressure if volume is 2 meter cube and temperature is 4 degrees. First find K, which comes out 2 is equal to K2 by 1, which on simplification become 2 by 2 is equal to 1. For K is equal to 1, temperature is equal to 4 degree and volume is equal to 2. Put all the values in the equation. We have 1 into 4 by 2 and 4 by 2 is equal to 2 Pascal.